Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the Navman so it's ready to accept navigation tasks. Plug in power and confirm battery is at least 80%. Insert the micro SD if your model uses external maps. Once connected to a computer, run Navman Suite or the updater to install the latest maps and firmware so routing is accurate. Make sure GPS is enabled, then set language, distance units, and time zone. This prevents mismatches later and speeds initial satellite lock. Now enter your route and refine how Navman guides you. Type or speak the destination, then preview the route and save frequent stops as favorites for one-tap access. Once a route appears, choose Preferences, fastest versus shortest, avoid tolls or ferries, and set vehicle dimensions if required for accurate routing. Next, customize voice prompts, screen brightness, and speaker volume so instructions are audible without distraction. These choices change behavior immediately, so test a short drive. Begin navigation only after the device acquires satellites. This can take 1 to 3 minutes. Once locked, follow turn-by-turn prompts and watch lane guidance. If you miss a turn, hit reroute and Navman recalculates. If you take an unplanned detour, allow time for a new path to generate. Finally, if the unit freezes, loses maps, or misroutes, reboot the device, reconnect to Navman Suite and reinstall updates, and as a last resort reset settings. This resolves most software issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.